God bless you. Why do we say that when people sneeze? We've been taught that since our childhood. It's ingrained in our mind and becomes an automatic reflex. But where did it come from? Back in the Roman Empire of all times, about 1600 years ago, Pope Gregory thought that when a person sneezed, it allowed evil spirits to enter their body and that they might be coming down with a plague. So he made it mandatory that you bless a person when they sneeze. And guys, we still do it to this day. We're taught it as a child. It is second nature. We even thank the person when they bless us. Now you know, my friends, and I got you covered if you're sneezing. God bless you.